Hi, Meenakshi here from Trends Academy. If you're aiming for NIFT Bachelor Design paper and worried about Creative Ability test, this video is for you. The NIFT CAT paper weightage is 50%. Good score out of 101. And you can easily score good if you're aware as to what they would be asking. If you're looking back the question paper patterns, you'll easily find one of the question long time back used to be on composition, where you have to draw the whole area, a scene. Example like draw a roadside dhaba. So the idea was to recollect whether you were observing all the elements that are there, have you drawn all those elements, the proportions are right, and from which perspective have you drawn it. In the coming years, then the question pattern changed to where the questions related to process making was asked. Again, the whole process, can you relate to the whole process? The whole step-by-step work can be related, drawn, remembered well. The question was very basic, very simple, trust me. It was you have to draw the process of making a Maggi in 5 steps. Sounds so simple, but the common mistake, our whole Maggi was made, but we just forgot to switch on the burner. Now this year, 2020, the question was a bicycle was drawn and you have to draw, and there was an option of either drawing a human and an animal to it. So if you clearly follow the pattern, the one thing that they are checking on these style of question is observation. So your observation to the things around. So they can easily come in human to human, draw mother with a crying child, human to object, draw a person with a bicycle, human to animal, draw an adult with a dog, and maybe at morning 9 a.m. So what is the shadow pattern that is falling? There are a lot of products that are around us, be it of metal, glass, ceramic, wood. So can we actually shade them properly, reflecting the particular material of the object? That is what they are checking at. Now there are a lot of questions that you can actually develop under this observation. The way human is aging, we are turning from infant to toddlers to teenagers to adult to a middle-aged to old man. So how has our whole face changed? How has the whole body changed? Even that's your observation. So don't ever follow that the questions will come from one area only. They are looking at your observation skill. They can give you a question from anywhere. The next question is always on design. So where the questions are on designing posters, stamps, logos, product for specific personality, taking inspiration from any alphabet and then designing. The third question is from elements and principles of design and color theory. So this is something that is actually taught in design school in the foundation. So here your concepts of lines, shapes and colors is being seen. The question style could be as basic as depict happiness using lines, depict sorrow using circle, depict monsoon using colors. So we here at Trends, we are teaching you for all these 3 style of questions. So where your art faculty will work on your drawing skills, right from object to human to shading to coloring also with pencil colors, in understanding the perspective, in making objects that are there around us in day-to-day life. The creative faculty works on your idea generation as to how you can come up with better ideas, and we clear up your concepts of elements, principles of design and on color understanding. And then a lot of creative based questions are done in the class. The idea is that these 3 questions that are to be done in a 3-hour time, you should be able to complete them easily. And by the end of these classes, you'll actually find it very simple. So for those who can't come down to our classroom coaching, we have at our online e-learning all these chapters covered. So all what you need to do is just log in at our website and see a glimpse of our online e-learning. My next video would be on how you can prepare for the NIFT situation test. Sounds the next challenging step. See you then. Bye-bye.